Montare Jones.
Hello everyone, welcome to Mzansi's Finest Videos. This is Davis and hope you will enjoy this one, guys. Welcome to new subscribers. Ayo, aye, aye, yeah. Resting time.
Google primary bakherigis pele photosynthesis morena. Gore bare bangemisa bare emelele. Ke emelele. Barare spell photosynthesis. Gororo nkere. Bare thank you. Bare thank you. Bare yo.
Unonku Williams dangu phela nedrama.
Yo drama ngaka.
Biza ngononku Williams international.
Hey banna.
Hayi chef. Base wena.
Hey banna.
Baby ngimtshelile ngalento yakho.
Yo baby yo ngikhohliwe ngiyaxolisa baby. Baby ngiyaxolisa.
Oh shit.
Bro, they cheat on men that actually spoil them. What do you think is going to happen with you and your little I'll see what I can do?
Alright, njengoba sowumakoti wala endlini sokufikile ngisho so right. La endlini ngifuna kuphekiwe, ngifuna kukliniwe.
Wo, before ngifika la ngibeklina bani?
Yimi.
Oh, hayi okay ke uzochubeka ciphi Wi-Fi password la.
Yeah.
Makoti.
I want you to tell me who's your daddy.
You are.
Tell me who's your daddy.
You are.
Tell me who's your dad.
Brani mina ngemazi ubabami. Angemazi mina ubabami. Ngikhule ngela baba fethu angazi wayovusa amalebe. I don't know my daddy.
Sorry sesi. Nare sabitsi wena nare bitsa ola o mothomi ha o moyelo. Di criminal tse ke mo di thomile mo teng. Ke mo di thomile mo teng di criminal tse di lefisane.
Eshanya bekela utshwala izole babhalaza nje yombulala njani nalamanzi ayangidawa angisabufuna utshwala emara khalele one manje emara isibusizo sikhuze akuyafana ngimusha imali yamusa athi ngiyobamba 4 courts lapha kaMrembula
Bona khona.
Abantu wala mapa. Arikel feliz.
Hayi Risha.
Mara into play.
I can have utong kira gore ke be attached to and then utong tlwela. Wan tlwela. Label in the first place, I was not even interested in you. One kwatla until you got attention. Piano gonna we get tested. I've fallen deep for you. When no someone what have a music bona get wrong.
And it's a lack of communication. Dali watsamaya lirato le fedile dali watsamaya shimane banala
Nango 50 rand kade ucelile.
Le nje ngipho 50 rand ngempela. Ayisafa ngisho 20 rand kubo 70 rand. Le nje ayazini ukuthi umuphi intombazana imali awuyiphi le icelile. Awuyibuke le nje happy kanjani. Ngathi inkulu le mali ekhiphayo. Yazi nalo 50 rand ngawucela 3 months ago. For sure nje lo 50 rand ukhiphayo gcina.
Umsebenzi ngumfuna impela. Kodwa yabo lo valela ifoni kwilokha angeke kulunge phezulu. Hawu. Swashi ifoni office. Hola.
Ene luna halewata text number. La namela le SARS why? Skolo se botlhokwa. Wait.
If relationships are not working for you, try other ships like internship, learnership, entrepreneurship. If they fail, worship.
There, when you breathe in oxygen, what do you breathe out?
Okay, so we clearly know he failed EMS. The answer is cellulite. But your daughter's eating baby powder, my sister. I don't know which one. You're focusing on the wrong child here.
Khotsipan, John, umuntu ongasilutho. Hey, abona ukuhlala ethembisa isikele yami every day sekumele manje utapsheni. Phela thina sicabangela amankwebe baba tapsheni, sengicabanga ukuthi akumele kuyoship hop. Kanti bayangibulisa. Hey labo Khotsipan bala.
I hate people who use big English words just to make us feel discombobulated. That's just an ostentatious parade of verbiage misquandering his wisdom.
Discombobulated ban lapho kucomblatwa makwembwani nembani nize nicomblate kangaka. No, I thought you were on our side. Bengithi uncedisana nathi ukhala kanye nathi kanti nawe uyahlanya. No, I feel photosynthesis because uyahlanyela kwawena. Ngenile.
I'm not the birthday girl, it's the birthday mom. I'm not the birthday girl, it's the birthday for my friend. I'm not the birthday girl, it's the birthday for auntie. I'm not the birthday girl, I'm the birthday sister. I'm not the birthday girl, it's birthday girlfriend. I'm the birthday girl. And I'm happy.
Fresh.
Almond.
So, di kinya ka le bisi.
Hello?
Michael, where are you?
This is not Michael.
And who's this?
It's James.
Where is Mike?
He went to the mall.
All right, listen. Tell him that we have found an envelope next to his locker with 5,000 inside.
Yeah, 5,000. That is my money, sir.
Yeah, I got you, you bloody moor.
That is my money, sir.
Yeah, stop with your bloody nonsense, Michael. You better come to work or you're going to be fired. You understand? You will be fired.
Okay, sir, I'm coming.
And right now.
What about the 5,000?
There's no bloody 5,000 rand, you idiot.
Ay.
Ene motho wa bona hore ko habo o khonotse ya ngwaha o go tlhore 6 months ba sa bule gate e kholo for koloi ba bula gate e nyane fela mara re ye indota must have a car e paletse papa ha ile 5 bopa ka 1999. Yes.
You should never have your work managers on WhatsApp. Not because of what you think. No. It's not because you don't want them to see what you post on your WhatsApp stories. It's the complete opposite, actually. You don't want to see what they're posting on their WhatsApp stories and what they get up to, because it's going to change how you view your manager. Because imagine you see your manager posting a video of themselves on their WhatsApp story and it's them zapping. Zap, and they're actually good at it. Would you view them the same way after that? Me personally, I don't think I'll be able to. I don't want to lie to you guys. Like, I'm happy my manager is good at dancing and all that, but I don't think anyone who's that good at zapping can also be good at maximizing shareholder value back at the plantation. I doubt it. My manager, I'm happy for you. I can see you have rhythm and alignment in your feet, but I'm questioning your alignment to the company's overall long-term vision at this point.
Olena, the difference between Kilobedu le Severa, Kebebe, Sebebe, Kilokela Kamavani, Sulosela Samava, Lanswaramus, Mega Movero. Agi umulobedu.
Akiri tsebe language tsa dilethu.
Opportunity. Ga go dira free money elke veke rapia. Ke nane ke download a payslip. Hela ke nane madi re bana go buki ka mrere tor mais.
Ba gaetsho na ga go gapile kgomo le namane. Dinamane tsa teng le tsa makule ba gaetsho. Kgomo e beswa. Go ya galang ka dinamane tse ba gaetsho.
And ntwe bolela no itlo fitla go mongwa yona. Go jola lwena ne le mistake ene ke tshole every day.
He, sale ke ramma ke re matlo gala go shangwana lina re opa. Lo gala go shangwana lina re opa ma. Go nnyana ngwana ba tle bo di conflicts go skole. Ba tla bo di philo, bo di tele.
Abute mo wa tla kwana anshela monate. Mole a o nna kae ka re dite go yo abutele. Facial expression that kind of run for your life expression.
Batho ntumelang kopa go tlhaloganya So ha motswana South Africa a batla accent a go e changelela ko ra se tlhola a bua Setswana sa ka kwang a bua sa ka kwa ke eng la me ga mo go kana kana
ke na bothata jo pehela le ba shimela ba dilenda nya ke na bothata jo pehela bo hara mara jaanong tswalang sentle le nyana ma a mona ke tlo ga Paul moshibona ga pehela mona o tsole go jo kgotike mo go ja a direte bete a o ka reng ga te makirile ke a mona a ba tswala matlhakwa ha matelle a mona go dinko ke ba moshibona ke o ka re pekio
le mo utlwile. Guys, thanks for making it this far and hope you enjoy your day. Thanks, Azish.
Someone in our group chat asked a question that I've also been meaning to find an answer to. Why is it that there are so few black men in church and black women go to church? Why is it that you find wives and children in church, but their husbands are not there? Why is it that you find single ladies in church, but you find a few black men in church? I'm just curious. Where are the black men? Where are the husbands? Where are the boyfriends? Why are they not in church? And also understand that what I'm about to say right now, it's not a comparison, but rather an observation. I go to a predominantly white church most of the time because I do also go to predominantly black churches, but the church that's closer to me is predominantly white. White men come to church, guys. They come to church with their wives, with their families. Why is it that black men don't do the same? Is it a cultural thing? What is it? Like, I'm trying to understand, where are the black men when their women are coming to church? I'm really curious.